everybody, it's Andy. Today I'm going to be doing a review of the Design Lab edition of the Bihn Packing Cube Shoulder Bag. These are bags that you can use both as packing cubes or as shoulder bags during the day, as the name implies. I'm going to go over what's new in the Design Lab edition, what you can do with these bags, and show you how I personally like to use them. If you like content like this and want to see more, please smash the like button on YouTube, leave a comment below, and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out. Without further ado, let's get into it. The Packing Cube Shoulder Bag has dimensions of 11.8 inches on the long side, 7.9 on the tall side, and just about 3 inches in the depth. It has a main compartment with a zipper opening at the top where you can stick all of the items that you want, but it also has a nice slash pocket in the front where you can stick things separate from there. And, of course, it contains one of Bhinn's key leashes attached to O-rings. You'll find one O-ring here, an additional O-ring on this side of the main compartment, and a third on the other side. New to the Design Lab edition, Bihn has gone back to putting the shoulder bag attachments on the side, whereas the previous version had one at the front and one at the back. This makes it easier to zip it all the way open when you have the bag around your shoulder. Also, they feature these new zipper pulls where they have a textured, rubberized black pull that I think fits the hand really well. The one thing that I'd note here is that when I received my shoulder bags, these weren't tight along the zipper. And so when I did my initial pull, I actually felt it scrunching up like that. Probably not a problem, though for some, there's a slight possibility that yours might come off. One other thing that's new for this version is this material right here. This is a 210D cobalt-colored Ceylon nylon. It's still a ripstop nylon like the Halcyon. However, you can see, you don't really see the nice white lines of ripstop here. It's a much more subtle pattern, and it's a bit tighter. The way that it feels is very similar, though if I had to describe it, I'd say it's a bit smoother than the Halcyon material. You can also get this bag in a 210 ballistic, but I don't have that on hand. The bags also feature the Bihn Design Lab logo instead of the red airplane that features the 3 dots, therefore symbol, that they use on all of these potentially experimental products. My favorite way to use my Packing Cube shoulder bags is in conjunction with my Bihn Aeronaut 30. If we look over here in the main compartment, we see that I'm able to fit 3 full Packing Cube shoulder bags adjacent to each other, all in this main compartment. And if I had another 2 with me, I could fit them in the side pockets too. What I can then do is just either take them out one by one or use them actively in the bag. Now, once I have all of these at my destination, I can just take the shoulder strap off the A30, stick it on the Packing Cube shoulder bag, and after filling it with what I want for the day, I can be on my way. So I recently packed up these 3 Packing Cube shoulder bags for a trip where I'm going to be staying down here for a week. Let's see what I have in them. In the Acuity colored one, I have some pajama pants and a handful of t-shirts, and these all fit in with a little room to spare. In the Sitka colored one, I have a bunch of underwear, boxers, and socks. And in the Cobalt one, I have some athletic shorts, 2 pairs of pants, and a little beanie. So here we have the bag on my shoulder. Depending on how full you make it, it is a bit large, but for a shoulder bag or a purse style thing, I think it's fine. I have over here also the Bihn Absolute shoulder strap, which might be a bit overkill. Now, inside the bag, I have the items that I take with me, no longer using it as a packing cube and just as if I were going out. So in the main compartment, I have a winter hat and some gloves, because it's cold down here. I have my Bihn Everyday Cubelet, where I have all of the items that I need with me going out and about in general. I have my Camelback Chute water bottle. And then in the front pocket, I have, as always, a chapstick, my AirPods Pro attached to one key leash, and my keys attached to the other. And for those who were asking, we were able to fit over 10.5 pounds of Guittard chocolate chips easily into the packing cube shoulder bag. The Tom Bihn Packing Cube Shoulder Bag Design Lab Edition is a great option whether you're looking for just a packing cube or just a shoulder bag or something you can use as both. While it may not have as much internal organization as some other possible options, the ability to attach internal things using the Tom Bihn O-ring and key leash system, I think more than makes up for that. I personally like using a trio of these with my Aeronaut 30 as shown, and I use them frequently when packing in other larger bags as well. You can get a Tom Bihn Design Lab Packing Cube Shoulder Bag from the Tom Bihn website for $38 US when they're in stock. While these have been very popular, they are out of stock right now. However, Tom Bihn has committed to producing more of them. The new Celeron material is very interesting. I'm not sure if I prefer it to Halcyon myself, but it does offer a unique look, and I'm looking forward to see if Tom Bihn uses it more in the future. If you like content like this and want to see more, please smash the like button, leave a comment below, and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out. Thank you all very much for watching, and have a good day.